How to use the set.issuperset method in Python. What are sets? An unordered collection of unique elements. What does being a superset mean? Set A being a superset of set B means that every element in set B is in set A. Example, the set 1, 2, 3 is a superset of the set 2, 3. Set 1, 2, 3 is not a superset of the set 1, 2, 3, 4. And set 1, 2, 3 is a superset of itself, set 1, 2, 3. Set.isSuperset of set B returns true if set is a superset of set B and false if it isn't. You have two sets, set A, set 1, 2, 3, set B, set containing 1 and 3. Set A.is superset of set B. Every element in B is in A, so that's true. Set B.is superset of set A. Every element in A is not in B, so that's false. And set A.is superset of set A. Set A is a superset of itself, so that's true. Ciao.